Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off AutoCorrect on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on General. In General Settings, tap on Keyboard. Now, where it says Auto Correction, tap on the toggle to turn it off. AutoCorrect has now been switched off. And that draws an end to this short tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.